If you've ever wanted to rearrange the text or images in a PDF, you might have found that most free readers just aren't up to the task. But with Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can give your PDF a quick facelift in just a few steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to move text or images around in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll have the confidence to tidy up layouts, fix misplaced graphics, or make your documents look exactly the way you want. Let's jump in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you're used to clicking files and watching them open in your browser, make sure to open this document directly in Acrobat Pro so you have access to the editing tools we'll need. Once your document is open, take a look at the right-hand side of the Acrobat window. You should see a pane with several tool options. What we're looking for is the Edit PDF tool. Sometimes, depending on your interface or layout, you may need to head up to the Tools menu at the top and then select Edit PDF from there. This tool is the gateway to modifying almost anything on the page, from text blocks to images to even shapes. Now, when the Edit PDF tool is active, your cursor will change and you can actually click on any piece of text or image in the document. If you want to move some text, simply click on the box or paragraph you're targeting. You'll notice that dotted lines appear around it, which is Acrobat's way of letting you know you're in editing mode. If it's an image, you'll see a border pop up with little squares on the sides or corners. These are handles you can use not just to move, but to resize or rotate if you ever need. And sometimes, if things are very close together, it might take a few extra clicks to select exactly the element you want. Don't worry if that happens. Just click away from the element and try again. Acrobat's selection tool is usually pretty forgiving. Moving your selected item is very intuitive. If you prefer using your mouse, just click within the border lines, hold down the mouse button, and drag the text or image to its new spot. You'll see it move in real time. But say you want pixel-perfect placement. Maybe the image needs to nudge up by just a sliver, or the text should line up neatly with another element. This is where the keyboard arrow keys come in handy. With the object selected, tap the arrow keys on your keyboard, and each press will shift the item a tiny amount. It's perfect for those moments when your mouse just can't quite get it right. Here's a useful tip. If you ever move something and suddenly it disappears behind another picture or part of your document, don't panic. Right-click on the element and look for the Arrange menu. From there, you can bring your object forward or backward in the stack using Bring to Front or Send to Back and similar options. This is especially useful when working with newsletters, reports, or flyers where elements can overlap. Once everything is just where you want it, it's time to save your hard work. Up in the top left corner, click File and choose Save to overwrite your original, or Save As if you want to create a new version while keeping the original untouched. I always recommend Save As if you're making major changes. That way, you've got a backup in case you change your mind or need to revert. That's all there is to it. Moving text and images in PDFs is a simple, powerful way to take control of your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share any questions you might have in the comments below. I always check in and reply to help you out. And if you want more step-by-step guides on Adobe software and productivity tools, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.